On July 2, 1937, Amelia Earhart, one of the most famous aviators in history, vanished during her attempt to circumnavigate the globe. Despite years of investigation, the mystery surrounding her disappearance remains unsolved. But could science provide the answers? Let's explore the theories through a scientific lens. Amelia Earhart and her navigator, Fred Noonan, were flying a Lockheed Electra 10E on a journey from Lae, New Guinea to Howland Island. But as they neared the island, communication was lost, and neither the plane nor the crew were ever seen again. Based on radio transmissions and flight logs, Earhart's final position was somewhere near the Howland Island, but there was confusion about her exact location. What happened in those final moments? Let's look at the science behind the possibilities. One of the leading theories is that Earhart's radio equipment malfunctioned, preventing her from communicating her exact location. The plane's high-frequency radio system was notoriously unreliable, especially over vast stretches of ocean. Add to this the difficulty of navigation at night, and it's possible they became disoriented. From a scientific standpoint, radio waves are impacted by factors like atmospheric conditions, topography, and even the curvature of the Earth. Earhart could have been broadcasting on the wrong frequency, or her signal may have been weakened by interference from other nearby radio signals. This could have caused her to fly off course without realizing it. Another theory is that Earhart and Noonan simply crashed into the ocean after running out of fuel. The Electra had a limited fuel range, and Earhart was reportedly low on fuel as she approached the island. Without a proper visual of the island, the plane may have gone down over the water. Science suggests that when a plane crashes into the ocean, it may sink quickly, making recovery efforts difficult. The ocean's depth in that region, which can be over 16,000 feet, would have swallowed the wreckage, making it nearly impossible to find. One of the more widely discussed theories in recent years is that Earhart and Noonan may have survived for a time on a remote island Nikumaroro, part of the Phoenix Islands in the Pacific. According to the hypothesis, after running out of fuel, they crash-landed on the island and lived there for several days before eventually dying from exposure. Scientists have examined evidence, including human remains found on the island and artifacts consistent with a 1930s era plane. One key scientific method used here is forensic anthropology. Researchers analyzed bone fragments discovered on Nikumaroro in the 1940s, though they remain inconclusive. Still, modern advancements in DNA analysis might yield new insights. Another theory suggests that Earhart was captured by the Japanese military, perhaps mistaken for a spy. However, there is little concrete evidence to support this claim. From a historical science perspective, the timing of the disappearance just months before the United States entered World War II does not align with the likelihood of a spy mission. Satellite imagery and intelligence analysis have not found any significant evidence of an aircraft in Japanese-controlled territories, and there is no hard scientific data linking Earhart's disappearance to wartime espionage. Today, advances in technology allow scientists to conduct far more precise searches for the wreckage. High-resolution sonar imaging, underwater drones, and satellite mapping have expanded our search parameters, yet the wreckage remains elusive. In 2017, a new search off the coast of Nikumaroro failed to find the Electra. However, improvements in technology, like remote sensing and more sophisticated underwater mapping, could hold the key to solving this mystery. If the wreckage is buried deep, new scanning methods could eventually pinpoint its location. The disappearance of Amelia Earhart is one of history's greatest mysteries. Despite various theories and ongoing scientific efforts, we may never know the full truth of what happened on that fateful day. However, the science behind the search continues to evolve. Advances in technology, forensics, and historical research might one day uncover new evidence. Until then, the mystery remains forever part of the legend of one of history's greatest aviators. Thank you for joining us on this scientific exploration of Amelia Earhart's disappearance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about unsolved mysteries and scientific discoveries.